Hello, my name is Dalen St. John, and today I've created a game on the resource that was given to us a couple weeks ago. It's titled, What Can Teachers Differentiate? I have to say, as I was creating this game, I really found enjoyment out of it, and I think that it could even be used for in a classroom, maybe even for my preschoolers, like learning the colors and the shapes and different things like that. So I thought it was pretty cool. I just done a couple questions off of that. The handout that I used is this one. Let's see. It just goes through and talks about content and process and product and the effect and learning environment. This actually really broke it down really good for me. I was able to truly understand, um, the different, like the content or the process or the product and how it affects students in a class, in and out of a classroom. So I will get started on my game. I'm just going to preview it, that way you can see it on the screen as I'm talking to you. And it's downloading. I'm going to just do the classic. I'm ready to join. So at the top it has the pin number, and you just come over here to like the screen and enter the pin. 81646993. And a nickname. This would be great for students in the classroom. That way you can record like the scoring that is on here. And I just put my first initial and my last name. And that says that I'm in and I'm ready to start. So the first question says, blank is what the teacher. Let's see. And it is content. It says blank is how the student makes sense of what they are asked to learn or how they come to own it. And this is known as the process. It says a blank is the vehicle students used to show what they have learned, and that is product. And I just want to say the definition really puts it into perspective to me, because for a product I see like you having to reach something, and to me the vehicle symbolizes that they're going places to reach a goal. Okay, next question. It says blank relates to students' feelings and attributes, and these are often influenced by the blank in blank. And that's effect in learning environment. Question 5. The teacher uses images, text, and role play to introduce a concept to the class, and this is known as content. Question number 6. Students may work alone or in pairs on a learning task, and this is known as a process of learning. Or process, I should say. So some desks or tables that have nothing on them and present no visual distractions is known as effect and learning environment. Because with this, the tables and desks, if they have things on them, then the students will be affected by the learning process or the teacher talking. So it's best to have like a clean desk and a clean slate. That way the kids aren't distracted and are focused on learning. So students have the option of drawing and labeling a diagram or writing a paragraph to explain it. And this would be known as product, because they're able to go through and explain, even though it might not be verbal, but by drawing and diagrams and writing paragraphs, they're able to let you know what their end result is. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks.